This video will deal with problem 12.11 or 12.11 from Gapenski's Healthcare Finance 6th edition. All right, 12.11 says you're considering investing in the stock of Health South Corporation. You do some market research and learn that the company's last dividend was 0.84. Okay, so that means we know what D0 is 0.84. Company's market beta is 1.35. So what is this? Health South, so we'll call it BH. Beta H is equal to 1.35. Estimate that the increases in the growth rate will be 8%. So EG equals 8%. And required rate of return on the market portfolio is 12%. So RM equals 12%. So what is the maximum amount you would be willing to pay for the company stock? Oh, okay. Risk-free rate. I was looking for the risk-free rate. I skipped over it. Is equal to 5%. So here, again, security market line, we need to figure out what the required rate of return for Health South, whatever it is, Health South Corporation would be. And that's going to be the risk-free rate, 5%, plus the market rate minus the risk-free rate times the beta. And so that's going to give us 7 times 1.35, right? 12 minus 5 is 7, times 1.35 is 9.45 plus 5 gives us 14.45. Okay, so now we know what the required rate of return is. And so what's the maximum you'd be willing to pay? So what we're asking is what's EP0? Because most we'd be willing to pay. Okay, so well, EP0 is just going to be D0 0.084 times the 1 plus the growth rate, so that's 1.08, divided by the required rate of return, 0.1445, minus the expected growth rate, which is 0.08. Okay, so let's do this again. All right, I'll start with the denominator. 0.1445 minus 0.08 gets me 0.0645. I'm going to invert that times my numerator, 0.84. 0.84 times the growth rate, 1.08. Having a little bit of computer trouble here. Hopefully this is still recording. I get 0.9072, close that, and equals. So the most I would be willing to pay would be roughly 14.07. So if the price of the stock was less than 14.07, then I would buy it. If it is more than 14.07, I would not buy it.